I'm the Frugal Gardener, and today I'm going to introduce you to a few uninvited guests. These are a few of the plants that I have to deal with every summer, spring, summer, and fall in my garden. Call them interlopers, call them squatters, call them whatever you will, but they're a pain in my behind, and I decided to do something about it. This is just a sampling of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of what I deal with on a daily basis. So, a while ago, I had some business dealings, and the guy sat across the table from me, and he said, "If you don't ask, you don't get." It reminded me of a character of one of my Alexander Steele novels. Anyway, my birthday was about a month and a half ago, and I asked my children for this book on foraging so that I would better understand what I was looking at. And the frugal daughter granted my wish, hence the asking and getting. This is something that has been very valuable to me. This is my new secret weapon. I'm not going to bore you with all the technical stuff, but I will tell you that these morning glories here, apparently the seeds have medicinal purposes. These berries here are toxic, but you can also use them to as an ink to dye things with. This one over here, not to be confused with this one over here, this actually comes from the asparagus, but you can't eat it. It's poisonous. At this guy here, you get the picture. Basically, some of these I can actually use, and some of these I would not want to put into my compost like these guys here. People do use these for medicinal purposes. I do not recommend it based on my research, based on what I read. These here are good for medicinal uses, and boy, I have a ton of these in the garden. At any rate, what I have done is declare war on these invasive, I call them weeds, but they're not all weeds. They're weeds, they're plants. Some of them useful, some aren't, as I just explained to you guys. So, I am going to put this book to good use. It's pretty thick, has quite a few pages in it. I'm not pushing the book, but this is going to help me because being frugal, I'm especially interested in something like this that is medicinal, that's going to help me. And I'm also concerned about something like this that it probably won't hurt in my compost pile, but I'm not going to find out. I am definitely not going to put this in my compost. So, just wanted to show you guys what I was up to. So it's a new day. I have a weapon now. I can use this book to find out what's in my garden that I'm not growing, how to use what I can, and get rid of what I don't want. This is the Frugal Gardener. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing if you have. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you on the next video.